MBA Crash Course, Financial Management and Investment Analysis. Introduction. In the fast-paced world of finance, understanding the principles of financial management and investment analysis is crucial for making informed business decisions and maximizing profitability. This MBA Crash Course will provide a comprehensive overview of key concepts and techniques in financial management and investment analysis, equipping you with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the complex world of finance. Part 1. Financial Management. Financial management encompasses the strategic planning, organizing, directing, and controlling of an organization's financial resources. It involves making decisions that ensure the efficient allocation and utilization of funds, ultimately leading to the achievement of organizational goals. Let's explore some interesting stories and examples that highlight the importance of financial management. The Enron Scandal. The Enron scandal serves as a cautionary tale about the repercussions of unethical financial management. Enron, once hailed as one of America's most innovative companies, engaged in fraudulent accounting practices to inflate its financial performance. The scandal ultimately led to the collapse of the company and raised concerns about corporate governance and the role of financial management. Warren Buffett's investment strategy. Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors, has demonstrated the power of sound financial management. His disciplined approach to investing, focusing on value investing and long-term perspectives, has made him a billionaire. Buffett's investment philosophy emphasizes the importance of thorough analysis, identifying undervalued assets, and maintaining a margin of safety. Apple's cash management. Apple Inc. has gained attention for its robust cash management strategies. Through efficient cash flow management and prudent financial decision-making, Apple has built up a substantial cash reserve, allowing the company to pursue strategic acquisitions, invest in research and development, and weather economic downturns. Top 12 Techniques of Financial Management and Investment Analysis. 1. Financial Statement Analysis. Analyzing financial statements to assess the financial health and performance of a company. 2. Cost of capital. Determining the cost of capital, which is the rate of return required by investors to finance a company's operations. 3. Capital budgeting. Evaluating investment opportunities and making decisions regarding capital expenditure. 4. Risk management. Identifying and managing risks that may impact the financial stability and profitability of an organization. 5. Cash flow management. Managing cash inflows and outflows to ensure adequate liquidity and optimal utilization of funds. 6. Financial modeling. Creating mathematical models to simulate financial scenarios and assess the potential impact of various factors on financial outcomes. 7. Capital structure management. Determining the mix of debt and equity financing that optimizes a company's capital structure. 8. Dividend policy. Establishing policies and guidelines for distributing dividends to shareholders. 9. Working capital management. Managing the short-term assets and liabilities of a company to maintain sufficient liquidity and support day-to-day operations. 10. Valuation techniques. Assessing the value of assets, securities, and companies using various valuation methods such as discounted cash flow, DCF, analysis and comparable company analysis. 11. Portfolio management. Designing and managing investment portfolios to achieve desired risk and return objectives. 12. Financial risk analysis. Identifying and evaluating financial risks, such as market risk, credit risk, and operational risk, and implementing strategies to mitigate them. Summarization. In this MBA Crash Course, we explored the fundamental concepts and techniques of financial management and investment analysis. We discussed real-life stories and examples that illustrate the importance of ethical financial management and successful investment strategies. Additionally, we delved into the top 12 techniques used in financial management and investment analysis, covering areas such as financial statement analysis, risk management, cash flow management, and valuation techniques. Poem. In the realm of finance, where numbers reside, financial management takes us on a ride. From Enron's downfall to Buffett's sage. In the realm of finance, where numbers reside, financial management takes us on a ride. From Enron's downfall to Buffett's sage advice, we learn the lessons, both the lows and highs. Analyzing financial statements, a skill so key to understand a company's financial decree. Cost of capital, the hurdle to overcome. To attract investors, a challenge not easily won. Capital budgeting, where investments are weighed. Decisions made with careful thought displayed. Risk management, the shield against uncertainty. Protecting assets with utmost urgency. Cash flow management, the lifeline of a firm. Ensuring liquidity, a task to a firm. Financial modeling, where scenarios take flight. Predicting outcomes, shedding a guiding light. Capital structure, the blend of debt and equity. Balancing risk and return with proficiency. Dividend policy, rewarding shareholders' trust. A strategic decision, not made in a rush. Working capital, the engine that drives day-to-day operations, where success thrives. Valuation techniques, unlocking value's door. Measuring worth, like never before. Portfolio management, a dance with risk and gain. Crafting portfolios, a delicate terrain. Financial risk analysis, identifying the threats. Mitigating dangers, safeguarding the bets. In this crash course, we've covered the terrain of financial management, a world not in vain. With knowledge and skill, we navigate the seas. Guided by ethics, ensuring we appease. So let us embark on this financial quest. Armed with wisdom, we'll strive for the best. In the realm of numbers, where strategy takes flight, we'll master the art of financial might. Song. Verse 1. In the realm of finance, where fortunes are made, we'll learn the secrets of the trade. From Enron's fall to Buffett's rise, we'll uncover the truth, no compromise. Chorus. Financial management, our guiding star. Navigating the world of stocks and capital. Investment analysis, we'll go far. Unlocking the secrets of financial voodoo. Verse 2. Financial statements, a window to see the health of a company, its destiny. Cost of capital, the price we pay to finance our dreams, come what may. Chorus. Financial management, our guiding star. Navigating the world of stocks and capital. Investment analysis, we'll go far. Unlocking the secrets of financial voodoo. Bridge. From cash flow management to risk assessment. Valuation techniques, a true testament. Portfolio design and working capital. In this financial world, we'll stand tall. Chorus. Financial management, our guiding star. Navigating the world of stocks and capital. Investment analysis, we'll go far. Unlocking the secrets of financial voodoo. Outro. With ethics and knowledge, we'll shape our fate. In the realm of finance, where opportunities await. Together we'll thrive, as we embark on this ride. Financial management, forever by our side. *****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 =7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.